Having been a former clerk for a Supreme Court justice, just tell us about the process by which the justices make their decisions on which cases to take.
Sure. Well, they get about 7,000 petitions a year asking them to take cases, and they have their clerks go through most of them, and they kind of winnow the pile down to a handful of cases that seem plausible that the court might want to take it. And then the justices meet behind closed doors just by themselves to talk through them. They talk through them relatively quickly. They don't have, they don't spend days generally thinking about these cases. But it's not usually the case that they're sitting there and debating the merits of the case, or even showing their hand a lot about what they think they should end up doing with the case on the merits. There's a lot of guessing by the justices about where the court will ultimately come down on the merits, and that can affect whether they vote to take a case. Anytime a federal court strikes down a congressional act, the Supreme Court thinks,
oh, I see.
Look, we owe it to Congress for us to take a look at that. Most of the cases, the court has discretion about whether to take. And so the individual justices may cast their votes in strategic ways based in part on their guesses about what will happen if the court rules on the merits.